Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, May 10, 2022. So the market it continued to put it back down to the downside. However, we are right at the level of strong support here. So in the short term, we're looking for a rebound to the upside. So tomorrow, if the market be able to hold on to this level and push it back up, and we have a rebound target up to this area here. So everybody is eyeing for tomorrow because that's the consumer price index. They're going to report tomorrow, so that's very important. It will be cause some volatility there, so you pay attention for that. And if you look at the technology stock, it try to hold on to the level of support today, and then they rebound. So in the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound up, but the trend is still not change until we break a downtrend line here. And the Russell 2000 it also try to hang on to the level of support here. So in the short term, we're looking for a rebound up to the upside. The Dow it also push it back down, and then they are stuck in this trend here. The momentum is a little bit weaker, but they are trying to hold up to this level here. So tomorrow it's very important to see it, the market be able to put it back up so that we can have a short-term rebound to the upside. If you look at the crude oil is still hang tight to the upside, even though at the last couple of days they pull it back down, but they stuck into this rainbow triangle here. So, but the bull it still hold on to the crude oil at this level. Okay, so we will be a little bit choppy up and down this trend here. So you pay attention to we can trade in the rainbow and the low bow and the upper bow here. And if you look at for gold, it also pulled back down. Momentum they are losing, so still in the little bit downside, but they have a lot of strong support in this area here. So, but the momentum a little bit weak. So it's still in the downtrend right now. And if you look at the natural gas it also hit to the top, they pull back down, they found the support. Now they bounce back up, so the resistance will be up there. And if you look at the Bitcoin it also slammed it down. They passed to this level, but on the bigger time frame, we have a strong support at the level of buy zone here. Okay, so if they can hold on to it, we're looking for some short-term rebound also. Same thing like Ethereum. They are still hang tight to the buy zone here. And if you look at the volatility index, as we can see here, the VIX is still trying to punch to this level, but this one is the very strong resistance level. So yesterday they put it back up, and today they slam it down. So, but I think this one is very strong level for them to punch through it. So, if they can stay, if this level can hold them up, the sell zone here can hold them up, and if they come back down, that will give a chance for the market to rebound. Okay, and if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, the interest rate it cooled down a little bit, but the overall is still uptrend. But at least you can see some drop down to this level here. So that's a good sign. If they continue to come down, then that will help the technology. They are a little bit extended already, so definitely at some point they have to make a turn down to test it moving average here. Okay, and if you look at the euro, it also go nowhere with attention in Europe. So this guy, at the rainbow here, did not doing anything until they were able to break out this downtrend line here in order to move up. Otherwise, they are still sideways choppy here. So look at the all of the sector of the S&P 500. The material they give up all the gain from the sell zone. They come back right to the buy zone and then they bounce back up. So look like at they are still rainbow up and down in this level here between 80 and 90 here. The communication is still very weak. However, they are very discount price right now. So we wait for confirmation to see they be able to rebound from this buy zone here. The energy sector is still strong. As you can see, they pull back down, pull back up, pull back down, but the overall is still high, low. So the trend is still hang tight to the upside. Financial is a little bit weaker, as you can see. They continue to push it down. They don't have a support yet, so let's wait for a couple of days to see what they're going to do here. But definitely, this one is still very weak compared to the other sector. The industrial is also very weak. Also, as you can see, they continue to put back down at no sign of turnaround yet. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple more days. The technology today, they doing better. They be able to hold up because the 10-year treasury note, they cooled out a little bit. So this one, they try to stabilize here. So let's see if they can buy back up. Okay, this is a strong buy zone here. So we have to see. They put it back up, slam back down until they be able to clear this downtrend line here in order for the trend to reverse to the upside. So in the short term, we can focus to trade short term, but in the long term, we have to wait and see. Okay, utility is also try to find a support at this level there. Consumer stable, they slam down, but they get into the buy zone, they still hold tight here. So just watch out to see. Are they be able to break out the downtrend line here in order to move up, or otherwise they can come down and test the 75 level here. The real estate it also get hit hard because of the high interest rate, but however they get into the low bow here, so they were looking for some support in this area here. The healthcare it also try to find a support here, so they ran bow between the top and the bottom here. So if you have the healthcare stock, they did try to bottom out at this level here. The consumer discretionary it also put back down. However, they have some support here. This is one the wicked one in the root, but they have a strong support here. So if they can hold on to this one in a couple of days, and then they will find a way to follow up and then reverse. So right now, so the overall today I see it the two sectors that be able to hold tight to the upside, that the technology, energy, and the healthcare. Okay, so let's take a look on a couple of stocks on the technology so we can see how they are doing. Okay, so Apple it pull back down. They are choppy up and down here, but this is a strong level of support if they can hold on to this. And then we have a short-term buy. If they can clear this downtrend line here, they will find a way to push it back up. Amazon it also adds right at the support here. So we will see in the next couple of days here if they be able to find the support and turn back up, okay, to rebound to fill up the gap here. Microsoft it also found a support at this level. They try to push it back up, but in order for them to turn around, they have to break out the downtrend line here. Google it also found a support at the bottom here. Okay, so if they can clear this one here, they will push it back up to this level there. Tesla it also have some support here. So we need to see what are they going to do here. In order to come up, they have to clear this downtrend line there. Facebook it also come back right into this area here of resistance, and then they pull back down. However, they still hang tight to the support here. So let's see, tomorrow they can find a way to push it up. Okay, and they need a lot of work here. So a lot of stocks still have a big correction here, but however they are in the low risk area here. But all we need to do is just wait for confirmation to put it up for the short term rebound. In the long run, it still have a lot of work to do in order to market to turn to the bullish side. But however, in the short term, we will be able to looking for some stock and then trade in the short term for the rebound. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, and let's see how the market doing tomorrow after the CBI report, and then let's see how market they react to those numbers. and you will see some volatility there, so pay attention for that. All right, so take care and good luck, and then we will continue to update for you to see where the market heading to. Take care, everyone.